Hi friends, I'm Vishan and I'm going to teach you Persian pop in the 8051. I made a small paint file and it seems as dark. Looks like a pile of books. As you can see here, it's like a pile of books and assumingly that this is my first book, this might be my second one, the third and the fourth. Forget about dots. So to remove my first book, I have to remove first the fourth one, then I will remove the third one, then a second, and in the last I will remove the first book. So it's a kind of first and last out, where thing which I've entered first will be taken last, right? So I'm going to execute some instructions which I've written here with my instructions, and as you can see here that 20H and 30H are some RAM memory addresses which have the data 45 and 39 respectively. So let's execute the instruction. The first instruction to be executed is push 20H. So push 20H will actually push the data which was in the RAM location 20H into the stack's current location. By default the stack's current location is 08H. So this is my stack's current location. So 20H data, that is 45, will be copied into the stack's current location, that is 08H. So I can rightly enter 45 here. So now 45 has been copied into the stack's current location. Push instruction does one thing more. It also increments the stack's current location. So now my stack's current location will increment from 08H to 09H. Let's execute the next instruction. Push 30H. It will copy the data from RAM location 30H into the stack's current location, which is now 09H. So 30H has data 39, which will be copied here. So I can just enter 39 here, right? It will increment the stack's current location also. So let me execute the pop instruction. Remember, the pop instruction will pop the data from the stack's current location. As you can see, the stack's current location is now 09H. So it will pop the data from 09H. So pop A will actually copy data from the stack's current location into the A register. So I can see that 39 will be copied from 09H to A register. Pop does one thing more, it decrements the stack's current location. So stack's current location will become from 09 to 08. So now stack's current location 08. So pop B will move data or copy data from stack's current location 08H into B register. So I can type 45 here. So this was the concept of stack, and let's go over to the program now. This is a small program which I've written in ETSIM51 simulator. It's a job simulator. So let us execute this program by assembling it. I'll just click on assemble. It has no errors. I will run it step by step. So first step says move B, 12H will move 12 data into B register. So just step it out. So as you can see here, 12 data is in the B register. Next will push B. Push B will actually push the data into B into the stack's current location, which is 08. I told you stacks start from 08 and list till 0F. So now the data into B, which is 12, will be pushed into 08. Just step it out. So you can see 08 has now 12. Next is move 10H comma hash 18H will move data 18H into the memory 10H. 10H is located over here, so I can see it will have 18H when I step it out. Now it has 18 data. Now push 10H will actually push the data into the from the 10H to the stack's current location. This push B command incremented the stack's current location from 08 to 09. So now when I use push 10H, the data 18 will be copied into this 9. So just step it out and you can see The 909H has data 18, so it's looking good. Pop accumulator. In EDSIM51 you cannot write pop A, you have to write pop ACC. So I was doing it wrong first, so I just check it out on the net, and then I put pop ACC, so it works. So pop ACC will actually pop the data from the stack current location, at 09H, into the accumulator. So my accumulator will now have 18 value into it. Just let me check it out. As you can see, accumulator has 18 value into it. Now let me execute the next instruction, which will copy the data 14H into B register. Now B is filled with 14. Pop B will copy data from stack's current location. As you know that pop accumulator command will decrement the stack's current location from 09 to 08. So pop B will copy data from 08, not 09, because pop accumulator had decremented from 09 to 08. So now pop B will copy data from 08H into B register. So B will now have value 12, which was in 08. Just check it out. So you can see B has 12. This program works fine. So you can try it at home also. If any doubts, you can ask in the comments. Thank you so much. I am signing off. This is Shan.